Long ago, when the world was still being discovered, mighty sailing vessels roamed the Caribbean searching for wealth and new mysterious lands. The roaring seas were home to many a ship working for the kings and queens of the earth. But of all the sailors to brave the open sea, none could compare to the tough and hardy breed of men found aboard the renegade ships. These men were known as pirates. Sailing from port to port, running from the law and hiding in caves and uncharted islands, these cutthroats even found their way to the emerald coast of Florida. So lend an ear to Captain Fearless Phil, and he'll spin a few tales about the days gone by in a time that's long forgotten.
This be the ghost of old Billy Bowens. Now lend an ear, for you're about to hear tales told by Captain Fearless. There be ones of olden days when pirates roamed the forgotten coast of Panama. If you dare, raise your sails and let's cast off on this hard sea.
They're getting ready to
All right, boys and girls, we're getting ready to test fire our first cannonball. Everybody scream, fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole! Woo!
Crew members to your posts. Make ready to sail.